Hi dear students, how are you? Today we will discuss about angle sum properties of a triangle. This property says that the sum of all interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. This is the triangle PQR. Angle sum property says that sum of angle PQ and R is 180 degree. That means angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Okay. Let us solve one example. In the given figure, find measurement of angle P. Q equal to 45 degree and angle R equal to 52 degree. Find the measurement of angle P. Okay. How to solve this question? Yes, we know that angle sum property is sum of all interior angle of triangle equal to 180 degree. Okay. That means angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Okay. Given the question, angle Q equal to 45 degree and angle R equal to 52 degree. Angle P plus 45 degree plus 52 degree equal to 180 degree. Okay. Angle P plus 45 plus 52, 97 degree equal to 180 degree. How to solve this equation? Yes, angle P equal to 180 degree minus 97 degree. Transposing plus 97 equal to RHS. It's become minus 97. Angle P equal to 180 minus 97, we get 83 degree. Okay. Angle P equal to 83 degree. We get the angle P equal to 83 degree. 83 plus 45 plus 52. 52 plus 45 we get 97. 83 plus 97 we get 180 degree. Next we discuss about exercise number 6.3. First question, find the value of unknown x in the following diagrams. First diagram, how to find this x? Yes, we know that angle sum property, the all interior angle is 180 degree. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Okay. Angle A equal to x. X plus angle B equal to 50 degree plus angle C equal to 60 degree equal to 180 degree. 50 degree plus 60 degree we get 110. X plus 110 degree equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 minus 110. We get the answer 70 degree. X equal to 70 degree. Angle A equal to 70 degree. Okay. This is the second diagram. Angle P is the right angle. Angle R equal to x. Angle Q equal to 30 degree. Okay. We know that sum of all interior angle is 180 degree. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Okay. Angle P is the right angle, which means angle P equal to 90 degree. Okay. Angle Q equal to 30 degree plus angle R equal to x equal to 180 degree. Okay. 90 plus 30 we get 120. X equal to 180. X equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degree. X equal to 60 degree. Angle R equal to 60 degree. This is the third diagram. One angle is 50 degree and other two angles are x degree. Okay. How to solve this diagram? X plus 50 equal to 180 degree. Which property is used? Yes, angle sum property is used. X plus x, 2x plus 50 equal to 180. 2x equal to 180 minus 50. 180 minus 50, we get 130. 2x equal to 130. X equal to 130 divided by 2, 65 degree. X equal to 65 degree. That means these two angles are 65 degree. Okay. This is the fourth diagram. All the given angles are x. That means x plus x equal to 180 degree. X plus x, 2x, 2x plus x, 3x. 3x equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 divided by 3, 60 degree. X equal to 60 degree. That means all the three angles are 60 degree. This is the equilateral triangle. Okay.